Review. Today we will be reviewing Carl Edwards' 2014 Kellogg's Frosted Flakes Ford Fusion for Rockford Racing. Well, to say the least, it's quite a cool paint scheme. It's the same paint scheme that Carl Edwards won Bristol with earlier this year. Pretty cool. We apologize for any background noise. That's the reason why. It's Mr. K.O. the Bird. I'm sure he just wants to get the viewers' attention. It really seems to get cranked up when I do this. So, anyways, now let's get this out of its box. There it is, out of its box. A really cool paint scheme. So if we take a look, 360 of the car. And there's the basic paint scheme. So, this is a really cool, die-cast car with a collector box, which you can also put the car in too. So, and both sides can open. As you can see, you can put it in the box. And it's got a window on the other side, so when you put it in, you can see it on this other side. Which is a really nice thing for them to do. Which these collector boxes is something new they've been doing, and really nice addition. So pretty cool. We take a look at the paint scheme. Excuse me. We've got basically, it's a blue card, and you've got this yellow stripe there on the side. Followed by a red stripe, and then another yellow stripe there at the end. So pretty basic overall, but really cool. The back is all blue, unlike last year's, which had red and yellow lines, stripes on the down the back of the car. We go over on the sponsors of the car. We've got Tony the Tiger on the hood, Cheez-It on the side, Affleck, Mac Tools, Sherwin-Williams, Fastenal, UPS, and Lincoln Welders, and Ford Drive One. And also here, we've got Subway. We've got, then on the deck lid, we have Frosted Flakes, the roof, let's see, Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, and on the back we have Kellogg's Frosted Flakes. So, pretty cool paint scheme. If I was to give this a rating, I would give this well, to say the least, it's a really cool paint scheme. Overall, I would give this a 10 out of 10 in paint scheme. So, really nice. To say the least, it's a great car. I recommend getting it. And you can get this at a Walmart, Target, Toys R Us, wherever Toys R Us or any other NASCAR authentic car. So, really cool. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This is Zachary Tinkle, signing out.